water through a riverbed, dancing loud, splashing around upstream on a hot day. I love the way that you look at me like there is no tomorrow when I'm caught up in a movie scene of dread. But now's the only time I know for us to get ahead, by being still and moving slow and holding on instead. And I just don't think it'll be the same ever again. So can we just stay right here? Don't go too fast forward. We've got so much to say in all kinds of ways. Don't go too fast forward me. Let's press rewind and see what we find. What I see inside of you and what you see inside of me. Let's trade eyes for the big reveal. I would like to see the me that you've built up to be, the one that you have chosen to believe. And I would love to show you the you I really see, the you who lives inside of me in a language we both speak. I know you'll find her beautiful, she's magical to me. If only we could see ourselves on silver screen. Don't go too fast forward. We've got so much to say in all kinds of ways. Don't go too fast forward me. Let's press rewind and see what we find. Don't go too fast forward. We've got so much to say in all kinds of ways. Don't go too fast forward me. Let's press rewind and see what we find. I look up to the sky to remind me. I look left, I look right behind me. In one moment you were there, in the next glance you're gone. I keep my head up and my voice tall, just how you'd wanted me to. With my arms outstretched for you to find me, around in circles I get so dizzy till I can't see. I will not hide any longer. I am spinning around. Won't you catch me for old times? measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the earth, so full of emotion.